Welcome back to Moter Vision, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. If you're passionate about cars, crave the latest updates, and love exploring future rides, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our deep dives into the auto world. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true icon reimagined for the future, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. When you think of automotive legends, very few names spark nostalgia quite like the Volkswagen Beetle. It's more than just a car, it's a cultural symbol, a design classic, and for many, a memory on wheels. Now, in 2025, VW brings back the Beetle with a fresh new look and a tech-forward approach, aiming to balance heritage and innovation in one exciting package. At first glance, the 2025 Beetle keeps its iconic rounded silhouette, but with sleeker lines and a lower stance that give it a more modern, athletic appeal. The design is unmistakably Beetle, the curvy body, short overhangs, and distinctive. Circular headlights remain, but Volkswagen has added bold LED lighting signatures, a refined front grille, and aerodynamic enhancements that make it look ready for the future while still paying tribute to its past. Under the hood, the 2025 Beetle offers a choice between a highly efficient turbocharged petrol engine and a fully electric variant. The electric model, in particular, is getting a lot of attention. It's powered by VW's MEB platform, the same architecture behind their ID series of electric vehicles. With a range of around 250 miles on a full charge and instant torque delivery, the electric Beetle is not only fun to drive, but also practical for everyday commuting. Inside, the new Beetle's cabin is where retro flair meets modern luxury. Volkswagen has given the interior a complete overhaul without losing the classic charm. There's a fully digital cockpit, a large touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and voice controls that make interacting with the car seamless. The dashboard features subtle nods to the original Beetle, with body-colored panels and round air vents, while ambient lighting adds a futuristic touch. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The seats are more ergonomic than ever before and are available in both fabric and leather finishes. The cabin is surprisingly roomy for a compact car, with enough space for 4 adults and a decently sized trunk. Foldable rear seats offer added flexibility, making it ideal for city dwellers and weekend travelers alike. Driving the 2025 Beetle is a surprisingly refined experience. The steering is responsive, the suspension handles bumps with ease, and the electric version in particular offers a whisper-quiet ride. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets or cruising on the highway, the Beetle feels agile, composed, and fun, just like it always has. Volkswagen has also taken a big leap forward in terms of safety and tech. The 2025 Beetle comes with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. These features not only make the Beetle safer, but also align it with the expectations of modern-day drivers. Customization has always been a big part of the Beetle's charm, and VW knows it. The 2025 model is available in a range of vibrant colors, two-tone finishes, and stylish wheel options. You can even choose from a selection of themed interior packages that let you express your personality even more. Now, let's talk about pricing. Volkswagen aims to keep the Beetle accessible, while offering premium features. The base petrol model is expected to start around $25,000, while the electric variant could begin at approximately $32,000, depending on options and tax incentives. That positions it competitively within both the compact and electric vehicle markets. So who is the 2025 Beetle really for? It's for the nostalgic driver who wants a connection to the past, for the urban commuter who needs practicality with style, and for the younger generation looking for an eco-friendly yet unique ride. It's a car that doesn't scream for attention, but still turns heads wherever it goes. In a world filled with boxy crossovers and massive SUVs, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle dares to be different. It stands as a stylish, smart, and soulful car that continues to bridge generations. Whether you remember the original or you're discovering it for the first time, this Beetle is ready to win hearts all over again. Thanks for watching Moter Vision. Let us know what you think about the 2025 Beetle in the comments below. Would you go for the electric version or stick to the turbocharged engine? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and we'll see you next time with another exciting look into the future of driving.